Alright, hello everyone. In this video I want to show you the new type of malware that I've stumbled upon. It's actually not super new, it's been out there for months, but it's still scattered around the internet and it caught my eye because it seems kind of plausible, you know? And if you aren't using a DNS ad blocker or really any adblock extension, you should be using uBlock, obviously, but I think Chrome banned it with Manifest version 3. And you should still be using an ad blocker, right? Well, if you don't use an ad blocker, you might encounter this. So, as you can see, I'm in the middle of a malware run right now, and there are anime titties downloading in the background. I got this from some freaking ad, and I'm not actually sure whether it's a malware or not. I can download? Oh my god, look at this. I can get anime titties on my computer. 9 megabytes. Do I trust this? But we're gonna find sooner or later when it downloads. So yeah, anyway. Anti-spam. Checking the security of connection to the site. The site needs to check the security of your connection. But at the same time, you can't really know because most websites right now are using Cloudflare. And Cloudflare usually enforces a bot check at the very start when the site is being loaded. And this is clearly trying to mock that state. Well, first of all, I don't think Google does this. The only provider that does this kind of a bot check is Cloudflare, and it's kind of mocking that. And the idea is you have to click on the checkbox to fill it in. So what happens when we click? Bam! You get redirected to the malicious website. Amazing. So let's check out the developer console for this website. And see that it's actually bogus. It's not a real reCAPTCHA. And in fact, whenever you click on the body, anywhere on the body, you get redirected to this gem here. Limner's little shop. And as a matter of fact, we can copy that and try running it outside the redirect. And here we go, session expired. But when we click here, oh yeah, we still get the session expired thing. Yeah, it's definitely hard-coded to redirect you to that little malicious site here. I can make this happen with my site. It can redirect me to my personal website. Oh yeah. I'm such a hacker. Anyway, there's actually another rendition of such a fake site, and it's impersonating Cloudflare. I remember a fan on Discord sent me a screenshot of a fake Cloudflare bot check, and it was suggesting you download a file in order to pass the bot check. And that is definitely heaps more interesting than this guy right here, and that's my ultimate goal, to find that. What's really exceptional about this type of malware is how short-lived it is. As in, I just finished recording and reviewing this website and I can no longer get into it. I can no longer generate that fake reCAPTCHA again. And say, even if I run that website again, it just says session expired. It doesn't allow me in anymore. So yeah, I pretty much just got really lucky, and I didn't take any chance. I started recording right off the bat, and well, you see, it kind of paid off because I'll be searching for like the next 2 or 3 hours for another gem like that. So I'll see you then. Skip ad? What is going on? It's another game. I have requested a malware for my computer. Well, not this type of malware. Yes, there are a bunch of overlays that are... Another one! Alright, so we've got another one just now. And it's not really that plausible, but I mean, we're on the right track, you know. Please verify that you are a human. Follow the steps for verification. Click here to verify. Okay, so we've got an even more interesting one. So press the Windows button plus R, press Ctrl V and press enter. So the idea here is they copied a malicious link into my clipboard and now they're asking to run it through my run box. It's gonna be a PowerShell script or MSHTA. That's interesting. So why is it MSHTA? Well, anyway, let's run it. Doesn't really matter. It's gonna download some malware. It's gonna do something. It's gonna do something bad. "51% CPU. It must be doing great." Oh, see, it started the command processor. It started the command prompt. Let's check out the details and select columns. Let's check out the command line if I can find it. All right, where is it? Command line, yes. And I wanna, come on, give me CMDC, right? What's the file? What's the file? There it is. There it is. So I need to quickly enter the temporary folder and check out this bash script. It's probably obfuscated, but it doesn't really matter. Oh, it is obfuscated. Cool. That's all we get. It's unreadable. But it's running. It's running some bad stuff on my computer. I do not know exactly what it is, but it's something really bad. It's not a minor. There's no way it's a minor. PowerShell. What is PowerShell here for? Oh, it's downloading something from GitHub as well. Okay, hold on. Properties? No, wait. How do I copy the freaking command line? Yes. That's what I've been looking for. Let's kill this now and download this ourselves. That's what I was trying to do. Okay, I'm gonna kill the MSHTA and I'm gonna open Notepad. Find the command line here. Kumpkand Balgabag. Download bang. Interesting. Is this auto-generated? Wait, what? Oh, wait. Could this be the reason why it's not downloading? No, it's a private repository. You can't see what it is, but it's hosted on GitHub. And the reason it's hosted on GitHub is, I think, because otherwise it would trigger the defender, but it's downloading from GitHub, so what's the problem? I'm sorry for throwing the screen around, but it's downloading the zip file, calls it a random UID, and then extracts it into another random UID. Are those the same? Yes, they are the same. And then deletes it. I think it runs it as well. Let's check out what's inside. DLL. Oh, yeah, you can't really tell what's inside, but I've got detected easy. If it's C#, if it's .NET, we can probably do something about it. Oh, it's in a zip file. I'm sorry, I'm stupid. Let me extract it real quick. Oh yeah, this does not look good. This does not look good at all. Oh, could it be obfuscated as well? I'm gonna run this. I don't care. Let's run it anyway. We're here to infect this computer. Hiroto. proto.exe. What did it do? I mean, let's install it with a tracker and see what it does. At least somewhat. It crashed! Why did it crash? Could it be because it's a VM? Worry not, we have a hardened VM. Let's try it. Not running yet. Alright. Running now. Oh, the control flow is different now. Oh, this is so different now. Interesting. What has it done? It set a value for the current user. I don't know what it has done. Okay, basically, they give you shellcode and they ask you to run this on your machine. And once you run this, once you run the shellcode, it's pretty much over. Once you run this, you're actually infected. So, be careful out there. It's a very simple landing page. I wonder if I can get a Cloudflare one to show up. All in all, I spent another hour and I couldn't find a fake CAPTCHA mimicking Cloudflare. Moreover, I didn't get any fake CAPTCHA past that point. It is pretty rare, but it's been out there for a while. The reason I think it's so special is because it's super aggressive and it basically makes the user run the shellcode infecting their own computer. And it might go extinct at some point, especially if it doesn't mimic the CAPTCHA well. Either way, most of these landing pages are vibe coded and all the GitHub droppers are automated. It's pretty lazy, but we're after all living the age of generative AI. The more plausible it is, the more dangerous it is. I wanted to find the Cloudflare one because it all looked pretty genuine. But I only have a screenshot. The idea is the same. So stay safe out there, don't run shellcode on your computer, and I'll see you in the next video.